Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add slow motion to your videos using Instagram edits. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. And if you find it helpful, do not forget to subscribe and leave a like. So let's begin. Now we want just to choose any project or video that you want to add slow motion to it. And then you can add it to the projects panel by clicking on the plus sign, and from here you will be able to start choosing from these clips. And in my case, I'm just going to choose this video and I'm going to click on done. Now let's see the speed of this video. And now to add the slowdown or slow motion, we will be needing to simply decrease the speed of our video. And to do so, you will be needing to select your video first, and after that, you can select or edit its speed. Now, we can find here in the bottom toolbar the speed panel or the speed tool. We need just to click on it, and I'm going to click on speed, and we want it to be half the speed or just like that. So let's just go again and we will see that our video became slower, and then you can start like trying between speeds until it will satisfy the desired action or the desired result. And by that you will have successfully added slow motion to your videos. Now, after finishing, you will be needing just to export your video so you can share it or use it in other places. You can click on export and it will be processed, and then first it will be saved to your camera roll, and you can also have the option to share it on Instagram or Facebook. So as you can see here, this video was saved to your camera roll. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.